Hello friends, hope you all are fine. So friends, today I have a new topic about towel animal. Have you ever heard about this topic? Let's see. What is a towel animal? A towel animal is produced when a towel or washcloth is folded into the shape of an animal. An animal created this way could include a rabbit, elephant, dog, or swan, to name a few. One of these creatures is often found on a cruise ship or in a luxury resort because staff routinely places them on the pillows of their guests to make them feel welcome. The process of folding towels to create different shapes is known as towel origami. This craft is much like paper origami, with the exception being that towels are used instead of paper. Bath towels, hand towels, and washcloths are all used to make towel animals. Other linens, such as napkins or handkerchiefs, could also be folded into the shape of an animal. Towels are usually made of terry cloth, which is ideal for making a towel animal. This fabric is easy to fold because it is not very stiff. The softness of the material also contributes to the charm of the finished product, often resulting in creatures that somewhat resemble stuffed animals. There are many different animals that can be created by performing towel origami. Some of the more popular ones, such as rabbits, dogs, monkeys, and elephants. Even so, virtually any animal can be created with this method. Some unusual creatures formed from towels include snakes, swans, lizards, and frogs. Staff on cruise liners often place a towel animal in each guest cabin just before passengers board the ship. Workers at many resorts also make these and put them in guest rooms. Spas, hair and nail salons, and bed and breakfast inns might also use them. These animals could also be created for a nursery, bridal shower, or to ascend a gift basket. Children are especially fond on them, so they might be a nice ascent for a birthday party as well. A towel animal may sometimes be held together with rubber bands or clips. This is especially true if more than one towel or washcloth is needed to make the creature. The fasteners are usually placed inconspicuously so as not to distract from the overall design. Some crafters may elect to use ribbons or bows to cover them as well. People who would like to make a towel animal might want to purchase a book on towel origami. Many cruise ships that place these animals in guest cabins also sell books about them in their gift shops. Books can also be found at craft and hobby or party supply stores. So friends, I think you all have understood about this topic, and we all have known that with towel we can make many types of animals to decorate our places. So hope you all have enjoyed as well. From this topic we all came to know mostly about towel animals. I will be here again with different interesting topics. Thank you.